We can see equivalent fractions using paper shapes, like this one. If I fold it in half, I still have a whole. When I open it up, I have two halves. If I fold the half in half again, how many pieces will I have altogether? I'll have four quarters. That's the whole divided into 4 quarters. Half of a half is a quarter. If I fold the quarter in half again, how many pieces will I have altogether? There are 8. Eighths. That's the whole divided into eighths. A half is 4/8. A quarter is 2/8. 8/8 make a whole. I can do the same with a square. Fold it in half. Now the whole has 2 pieces. 2 halves. 2 halves make a whole. Fold it in half again, and I have quarters, or 4 pieces. Still the whole, but divided into 4 equal pieces, quarters. Fold the quarter in half again, and I have 8 equal pieces. 8 equal pieces, they're eighths, still a whole divided into 8/8. There are 4/8 in a half, 2/8 in a quarter. I can do the same with just a strip of paper. Fold it in half. Now the whole is divided into 2 equal pieces, 2 halves. If I fold the half in half again, that gives me a quarter. In the whole, there are 4 equal pieces, 4 quarters in a whole. Fold it in half again. Half of a quarter is an eighth. So there's going to be 8 equal pieces, or eighths. 8/8 is a whole. 4/8 in a half, 2/8 in a quarter.